Drums are one of the most common containers in an industrial setting. Despite this, they are usually too heavy to carry, dump, or pour out by yourself. This is why here at Vestal Manufacturing, we make a wide variety of drum handling equipment. Vestal makes everything from fork and hoist mounted lifters, clamps and positioners, to drum jacks, trucks, to carts and dollies. However, the highlight of this product line are Vestal's hydraulic lifter rotators. These standalone units come in manual crank and electric versions. They also have a power traction drive system option, which allows you to move the drum lifter rotator instead of pulling it yourself. You can use these lifter rotators to transport or dump drums safely and easily. Vestal also makes dedicated drum dumpers with higher weight capacities than lifter rotators. Ask us about our stainless steel chute and caster options. Crush drums in seconds with a Vestal HDC drum crusher. These allow facilities to reduce their volume of waste by shrinking unused, dented, or leaky drums. Vestal also sells drums themselves. Made of several different materials, shapes, and lid styles, we have exactly what you need. Please visit Vestal.com to download our catalog or browse through our other drum handling equipment. We're Vestal Manufacturing. We've got it.